What's going on? I'm Darren Jamal, and I'm going to show you where I get some of my source images and reference images for my digital collage and digital artworks. So all the images I use in a lot of my work come from actual books or magazines that I've bought or collected or gotten from friends throughout the years or obtained somehow. I just go through the magazines and books and find images that I like and I think that will work good, and I'll take them and I'll cut them and I'll scan them. I don't think a lot of digital artists actually do that. I feel like a lot of their work comes from just like stock images online or Google searching or something like that. So everything I try to do, digital artwork or analog collage, I try to get from actual books or magazines. So it's I guess like a little mixed media. So I'm gonna go through some of these books, this book in particular, and show you how I pick what images I'm gonna use and what could be good, and just talk a little bit about the process. So all right, let's see if there's anything good in these books. Some cool drawings and stuff here. For some reason I kind of like this forklift going on here, so I might snag that. And then for cutting out of a book, I usually just cut the whole page if there's a piece I like, if I'm going to do a digital art or analog collage, and then I'll cut it out in depth afterwards, or I'll scan it for a digital collage. So for cutting it, I always try to cut the easiest way so I don't ruin whatever I'm trying to get. So if this is like semi close to the edge or this shit, I'll try to cut it on whichever way is the easiest. So this is with the page down facing away, and then I'll just cut towards the edge. Sometimes you'll, I don't know, cut through twice or something, but usually if you're cutting towards the edge, it's good because you won't cut much. So bam, perfect cut. Got this-ish. So I'm gonna set this over here, stack up some pieces. I was probably gonna use this too. I don't know, for some reason this truck and this little forklift thing could be all right. And look, perfect. This little dude on a skateboard, whatever this is, this guy riding a unicycle. These people, it's all right. So I might snag that too. Just cut it out. Give it a little tug. Bam. Done. See what else we got. I don't know some of these images are weird. Pretty cool illustrations. Whoever drew some of this in the past. Especially the style of these books. There's like, I don't know, there's very childish illustrations, and there's some more, I don't know, sophisticated looking stuff, I guess. So this piece is pretty cool. This lady writing down, and this on the other side. So again, I'm gonna cut it the easiest way since she's very close to this edge right here. So I'm gonna just stab that too. Just cut it on. Try to be straight down. It's a little crooked. Bam. Perfect. Got her. Got this little US mail thing. And then same thing. I wanted this piece anyway, cut through, depending on how hard you cut. So this could be all right. I'm gonna try to make a little something, little collage design from this. And then it's always good to check the back side too if you like cut through in something. So this has some little Oregon Trail looking-ish on the back, so that's cool. Let's see. It seems like a lot of these pages section has to do with math. Oh yeah, there's some weird stuff. It's pretty cool. I don't know. Good text as well up in here. Some of these things. Yeah. the essential questions. Who are you today? Essential. Some wild stuff, so we'll see. What else up in this one? I was like, I don't have any ideas for this stuff right now for all of these, but they look like they could be cool. This seems very unsafe for this book. This kid wearing a mask out of stockings. I don't know. Also slightly racist, but we'll see. Pretty cool stuff. I feel like whenever you're looking for source material, you kind of got to have something in mind that you're going to work with, or that you might like want to try to make. It helps because then you're like, oh, I could use this piece for that, I could use this for that, and whatever. Some pretty cool stuff. I'll probably go back and go through this again. For some reason, I like there's these rats on this page. I like this, so I'm gonna get these rats. Could do whatever with these. Throw it on something, and the food is nice, so you can see what's up. I kind of like this. This dog has a nice little growl on it. It's kind of cool right here. So maybe cut this out, use this for something. The eyes section might start right too. So see what happens. Not bad, not bad. This little ish right here to be used. Bam, and that's it. Alright, not bad. The Young Children's Encyclopedia. What'd I get? This one little book. Got all these pieces, all something decent, I thought so. Decent bit. We'll see. I'm gonna go scan them and I don't know, see what we got. Maybe I can work on something real quick, throw something together, so we'll see. Decent thickness up in there. Oh.